not owe you $5.
No, you don't. I want my whole 15.
I ain't give you nothing.
Don't worry, you gonna spend the block and need me again. That's
I
one
need
thing
you right
about
now,
it.
Baby. I need you right now.
When you do people wrong come back on your ass.
Tell you something from real shit.
Let me hear it.
Has been doing shit wrong for when the fuck is they gonna get their karma? Black people always use this motherfucker. Oh boy, you better not do it, man. The people, your boss man just did you wrong. Ain't shit happened to him.
That we know of.
Man, here you go.
I'm serious. We can't.